Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse Millionaires. I am Zindagi Sultan and in this Discord tutorial part 3, I will be walking you through every single role permission in Discord text channels. So let's continue. But before we start, it's a good idea to subscribe to this channel, and after this video don't forget to join our Discord because we are going to discuss tons and tons of Metaverse, Web3, NFT related profitable projects related things over there in detail. So here we are on our Discord. If you want to join, link is in the description. So we are going to set permissions for our roles. We just have one role at this moment, that is admin, and that is me. To set the permissions for your roles, click on three dots, click on settings, click on roles, and now you can set permissions. We are going to set permissions for our broad community. So number one permission is permission view channel. This permission is, if you turn this permission on, it means the members can view channels excluding private channels. They won't see private channels, but all the public channels they will be able to see. So it's good to turn this permission on. The other permission is manage channels. You should give this permission to only your mods or moderators or admins who are running your channels. This is the permission you can't give to everyone. Only give this permission to people who you absolutely trust. Third permission is manage roles. This one allows members to create new roles or edit or delete roles that are lower than their role. Also allows members to change permissions of individual channels that they have access to. This permission you must give to only mods, so they would be able to manage roles, edit or delete roles for their members under their role. So let this permission turn off for a broader community. Okay, now let's talk about manage emojis and stickers permission. This again should be a moderator only permission because it literally allows members to add or remove custom emojis and stickers in this server. Leave it off as well unless you are a server where you need fresh emojis etc. all the time. Next permission is view audit log. It allows members to view a record of who made which changes in this server. It's recommended to give this permission to moderators as they can check who made which changes in this server. Okay, now comes to manage webhooks. It allows members to edit or delete webhooks within your server. In simple words, webhook is a way to create connections between you and your Discord server and different things from internet, websites, or abilities that websites will give you. So keep this permission off. Manage server. It allows members to change their server names or can add bots to the server. This is an admin only permission. Also turn this off. Do not turn this permission on for anyone, just for owners or admins. Now we have talked all general server permissions. Now comes to membership permissions. Create invite. This permission is a permission you must turn on for your members, for your broader community. And the next permission is change nickname. This permission you can turn off or turn on. Just turn this off if you face any problems. Just play around with this. If you face any problem, turn this off. It allows your members to change their own nickname, a custom name for just this server. The next permission is manage nicknames. I don't think you should turn it on. Let it off for your broader community. This permission will allow members to change the nicknames of other members. So let it turn off. The other permission is kick members. This permission must be given with extreme caution. It can prune people out of your Discord. Let's say inactive or abusive members. Don't give this permission to your broader community because it will allow every member to remove every other member from your server. But yes, kicked members will be able to rejoin if they have another invite, but let this permission turned off. Other permission is ban members. It will allow members to permanently ban other members from this server. Yes, this permission should be turned on for moderators. The other permission is timeout members. When you put a user in a timeout, they will not be able to send messages in chat, reply within threads, react to messages, or speak in voice or stage channels. This permission should only be given to moderators or admins. Now, let's talk about text channel permissions. Allows members to send messages in text channel. Obviously, this permission should be turned on. By default, these permissions are turned on actually. Send messages in threads, allow members to send messages in threads. Create public threads, allow members to create threads that everyone in a channel can view. You should give this permission to reliable members if they want to have a focused discussion. Create private threads. They can create locked threads, invite only threads. It's not good to have a lot of private threads because it won't create good impression to other members in your Discord server. So let this permission turned off. Also this permission off. Embed links. Now this is very important permission. This permission can be given to your high tier roles. Attach files. You can give this permission so that your members can attach files to their post, but give this permission with caution. Better to people who have earned some ranks on your Discord. It allows people to upload media or files, etc. At this moment, I'm letting this permission on. Add reactions. Members can add reaction. Let's turn it on because it will, it's a fun permission. Use external emojis. Allows members to use emoji from other servers if they are a Discord Nitro member. And the other permission is use external stickers. More or less same permissions. Allows members to use stickers from other servers if they are a Discord Nitro member. It's better to turn this off for your broader community because I don't have so much members, so I am letting this permission as it is. My permissions are on for use external emojis and use external stickers. Now, the other permission is mentioned at the rate of everyone here and all rows. This permission should be given to higher roles or just for moderators because this can be abused very badly. So only give this permission to people who you trust. For example, admins, moderators, or keep this permission to yourself. I'm turning this permission off. Manage messages. Allows members to delete messages by other members or pin any message. So this is not a good permission to give every member. Turn off. Manage threads. Allows members to rename, delete, archive, unarchive, and turn on slow mod for threads. They can also view private threads. Let this permission off for your broader community. Read message history. Allows members to read previous messages sent in channels. If this permission is disabled, members only see messages sent when they are online and focused on that channel. If they can't see message history, how can they, engage in a better way? So turn this on. Send Tts messages. Members with this permission can send text to speech messages by starting a message with Tts. These messages can be heard by everyone focused on the channel. No, this permission can be abused very badly, so turn off. Use application commands. It's better to reserve this permission for mods, admins only. It allows people to use / commands that bots have now available. So turn off. So let's wrap up today's video. In our next video, we will talk about voice channel permission. See you in the next video. Bye bye.